Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Battle.net account. So firstly, open up your web browser and go to blizzards.com. Then just simply go to ID and click support. Then click on account over here. Then click contact support over here. Then over here just simply choose I would rather categorize my issue. Then click data protection over here. Then click on remove my data. Then click remove my Battle.net account and game data. Then press continue. Then it will show you some details that what will you lose and how many days will it take to actually delete your account. So after reading all of that, just simply press continue. Or if you want to read this, you can just simply pause the video and read it. So after doing all of that, just simply press continue. And then it will send a verification code on the Gmail ID which is linked to your account. So just simply check that. So as you can see, I have received the verification code. So what you have to do is just simply copy this number, then paste it right over here. And now if you press submit, your account will be deleted. So I won't be doing it, but if you press submit, your account will be deleted. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.